Monday, the 8th of August, and we had the news on Moody's downgrading the United States debt, and the volatility has been engaged. The market has made it past 40. Currently, it's holding in pretty well. Currently within this weekly chart, these bands, the upper and lower bands, are moving within each other. They are designed so that when markets are in a range like this, that they're not going to come close to it like the traditional Bollinger Bands may. But when you see it winding in as fast as we are, that's generally telling us that the volatility has dried up and we're in indecision kind of markets. And when you look at the size of these candles, at least over the last 4 weeks, they've been quite small. Now, the current weekly candle is about 1/7 or 1/8 of a day in because we have not even completed a day yet, and there's 5 within the week. If it can hold not only really this 18 period average of closes, but even the 18 period average of lows, and can find some momentum above this band and really above the significant previous resistance at 42 and change, then that would be extremely strong to be able to find this 18 close area, which was resistance in here, become that of support now, and then have a second test of this upper band, and that's what I'd be looking for. Moving now to the 3-day chart, with each candle representing 3 days worth of data. And this 18 period average would really translate to a 54-day average, which is very close to the 50-day. And what's happened is we've guaranteed a failed move. Either this is going to be a failed break below the 50-day moving average, which was not able to result into a bear market, or this breakout would be a failure to not create a bull market. Because it's gotten above one, it's gotten above the other. That also can mean that the market is moving in a neutral sideways consolidation. But whenever you do have a failed move, oftentimes you get a fast direction in the opposite side. Meaning if we are able to hold the significant support anywhere near this Fibonacci line of 37, anywhere near within this band, the band is between 36 and change and 39 and change, breaking above that level and into new highs would really be telling me, hey, is this fast move happening now? After all, it was a pretty decent size failed move. And at the same point, on any breakdowns, you got to be thinking the same thing within this play within here, the move higher. And when we look at this on the 6-hour chart, we're now seeing the opposite within the bands that we were showing on the weekly time frame. That's because volatility is engaged. Seems like it's now been forever since this has been writing the test on whether it's going to pass the 5-day moving average, because it keeps on going above and below and above and below. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Thank you for tuning in.